Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make whipped cream using the liquid from a can of chickpeas. It's called Aquafaba, that liquid, and it can whip up into whipped cream. So I'm going to show you how lovely and easy it is, and I'm going to enjoy it with some strawberries today. And as always, I've written the blog post, which I'll leave down below, which has the recipe and full step-by-step instructions too, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this a try and what you think. So yeah, I'm going to be using the liquid from chickpeas. Make sure that you get ones that have no added salt. That I had to buy organic because the other ones at the supermarket when I was there had salted water, and you don't really want that when you're making a sweet treat. So these are the only ones that had no added salt. So yeah, and I'm going to add a bit of vanilla and maple syrup for flavor, but you can make it sugar free by adding stevia, or you could add sugar instead if you want. Loads of options, all will be in the blog post down below. And you may want to make this either if you're catering to someone who's vegan, you're vegan yourself, you just want something dairy free, or you just kind of don't believe it can be done, and when you've got a can of chickpeas, next time you're opening it, save the liquid, whip it up, and just see for yourself how really easy and fun this is to make. So I'm going to show you how to make it. So I've got a sieve over a bowl to catch all the chickpeas, and then pour all the chickpeas out. Give them a good shake to get all that liquid out, because that is what you want. So I'm just kind of helping along with a spoon, get every last drop out there. And now, yeah, all you need is the liquid, and I'm going to probably just turn this into a salad of some sort, so we'll move them aside and then get the Aquafaba whipped up. So yep, I've got my chickpea liquid, and now we're going to whip it till we've got whipped cream. Can you see? It's like magic. It's kind of almost whipped to my liking, but I'm just going to add in now vanilla and maple syrup. Go for about a teaspoon of vanilla and half a tablespoon to a tablespoon of maple syrup. But yeah, it really depends how sweet you like your sweet treats. I'm doing a very shallow tablespoon there, and give it a final whisk in. There you go, that's kind of perfect, beautiful whipped cream. The longer you whip for, the thicker it'll obviously get, so it just depends on how you'll be enjoying it. If you want to just use it to top a bit of hot chocolate with, you can just keep it foamier, but if you want it to have with strawberries, as I'm going to do, then just get it nice and whipped and thickened. But that is the video for today, how to make this lovely thickened whipped cream using the chickpea liquid or Aquafaba. It is such a yum sweet treat that, yeah, I'm going to enjoy with some strawberries as a lovely snack dessert. But yeah, that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this a try and what you think of it. And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post, which has the full recipe, step-by-step instructions, some ideas for uses and adaptations too, so click through for that. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.